Oh man, August sure is hot this year, and we'll have to admit it isn't too great for the body odor, especially when perfume quickly sweats off. Thus, we made this solid perfume that will soak more into your skin instead of dissipating on top. This solid perfume is also scented with our Jasmine fragrance and will leave a beautiful floral scent. So, how do you do it? Let's get to it.
I'm a stranger, here to win, here to sin. Oh, hey, gonna make it. Game is on, I can't go wrong. I may just seem to play it cool. I may just rewrite all the rules. Money maker, so but never tell. I heard a rumor. Money maker, watch me cast a spell. Rumor, rumor. Money maker, gotta pay to play. I heard a rumor. I'm a taker, going all the way. Rumor, rumor. Hey, hit the table, here to stay, no repay. Hey, feeling playful, never fall, stay on your toes. I may just seem to play it cool. I may just rewrite all the rules. Money maker, so but never tell. I heard a rumor. Money maker, watch me cast a spell. Rumor, rumor. Money maker, gotta pay to play. I heard a rumor. I'm a taker, going all the way. Rumor, rumor. I heard a rumor. I heard a rumor. Rumor, rumor. Money maker, so but never tell. I heard a rumor. Money maker, watch me cast a spell. Rumor, rumor. Money maker, gotta pay to play. I heard a rumor. I'm a taker, going all the way. Rumor, rumor. I heard a rumor. Rumor, rumor. I heard a rumor. Rumor, rumor.
We hope this solid perfume will leave you smelling refreshed even though you might be a little hot this August. Make sure to subscribe for more DIY tips and crafts.